Thank you for taking a closer look at the Friedrich Dehumidifier. Convenient and easy to use, Friedrich's dehumidifiers feature precise humidity control and continuous drainage operation. Our models can treat areas up to 2,500 square feet, extract 25, 50, or 70 pints of moisture every 24 hours, and can be set to humidity levels ranging from 30 to 90%. The sleek, modern design will not detract from your decor. With a built-in drain pump, you no longer have to continuously check the bucket to see if it's full. The pump will remove water up to 15 feet in any direction, allowing it to drain to a sink or out a window. These efficient Energy Star qualified models also provide a removable condensate bucket with a carry handle that holds up to 16 pints of water. With a washable slide-out filter, low ambient operation, automatic defrost cycle, and a 24-hour timer, these powerful dehumidifiers are ideal for living areas, storage areas, basements, and equipment rooms, anywhere moisture is a concern, because they provide reliable, convenient operation. Another great feature is the easy roll casters that allow you to move the unit from room to room with ease. When not in use, the unit can easily be stored in most closets. Investing in a
Honeywell dehumidifiers effectively pull moisture from the air, controlling humidity to help prevent mold and mildew. They're available in 45, 50, and 70 pint sizes, and ideal for rooms with high humidity such as basements, laundry, storage, and bathrooms. Energy Star certified, Honeywell dehumidifiers remove moisture with less energy than conventional dehumidifiers. Constructed with a strong body, a braced water tank, and durable casters, Honeywell dehumidifiers are built to last. Honeywell dehumidifiers have an adjustable humidistat with clear display for current and desired humidity levels. To be effective in different room environments, versatility is important when choosing a dehumidifier. Convenient and energy-saving, Honeywell dehumidifiers have smart humidistat controls that sense room humidity and activates dehumidification to maintain preset humidity levels. The adjustable relative humidity range is between 30% and 90%. They can operate in temperatures as low as 41 degrees. A tank full alert will sound when the water tank is full. There are two drainage options, manual or continuous. For manual drainage, the water tank is designed with a comfort grip handle and anti-spill tank stands that automatically extend to avoid annoying water spills. For continuous drainage, simply connect a water hose to the back of the unit that leads to a lower level sink or drain. Honeywell dehumidifiers operate quietly with a low sound output of up to 53 decibels. Honeywell dehumidifiers are easy to set up with simple controls. The easy access dust filter is washable for convenient cleaning. The dehumidifier is also programmed with an automatic restart feature to maintain your current settings in case of an unexpected power cut. Ergonomic handles and durable casters make it easy to roll from room to room with ease. Honeywell dehumidifiers come with a 5-year limited warranty, and our customer support team would be more than happy to help if you have any inquiries. Control humidity to help prevent mold and mildew with a Honeywell dehumidifier.
Introducing the Ivation Dehumidifier. It's ENERGY STAR certified and super simple to set up. To get started, open the front panel, remove the wheels and drainage hose. Lie the dehumidifier on its side. The wheels click right in, and the embedded handles make moving this dehumidifier a breeze, even when it's full. Included is a 6-foot cable, so you can use it anywhere. Our intuitive smart display features an easy-to-read LCD and displays air moisture levels as well as your room temperature. It has 2 fan modes and an easy-to-use interface. Full humidity control, a water level window. The bucket includes an easy carry handle, and the filter is removable so you can wash it. It includes an optional hose hookup. Just run the hose through the drain lock and screw it onto the drain firmly. Breathe better air with the Ivation Auto Defrost and Auto Restart Dehumidifier. Get yours today.